Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off auto scan when installing apps for viruses and spyware on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So just open your settings app and then scroll down to security and privacy and then tap on it and then tap on app security and then tap on app protection and then tap on three vertical dots at the top right and then tap on app protection settings. And on this screen you can see here we have auto scan when installing apps, this option. So just tap on this toggle button to turn it on. So when we turn it on we have this pop-up. For your security, app protection will scan for issues each time you install a new app. This may make app installations slower, but it allows you to block the installation of apps with security risks. So just read this message, and if you agree, only then tap on this turn on this button. So I agree to this, so let me tap on it and you can see it's now turned on. Or you can tap on it to turn it off. So select the option that you want. So I want to turn it on, so let me do that. Okay, you can see it's now turned on. So when it is turned on, it will auto scan for viruses and spyware when installing apps. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.